So we will continue from here. What's your occupation, right?
He's a singer.
He's a singer.
Everyone knows that.
Everyone knows that. Now see here, one scene is over. Okay, ये एक scene है पूरा. इस एक scene को हमको अच्छे से लिखना है and mark the important words, phrases and expressions with color. This is called as one scene. Okay, one slot over हुआ. Okay, तो ऐसे हमको slots में you have to watch videos and practice how we just practiced. Okay, now next scene. This is the next
Mr.
one.
Moretti, Marie has some questions for you. Look.
Okay, Mr. Morito.
Let's talk about Tokyo.
Then let's talk about Tokyo. She has some questions. Okay, then after we finish up those questions, then we will talk about Tokyo. I have some questions for you. मतलब मेरे पास कुछ questions हैं जो मुझे आपसे पूछने हैं. Or we say, I have some questions for you. Then let's talk about Tokyo. Or then let's talk about Adil. Then let's talk about our class. So this is how we frame a question. फिर हम अपने deal, अपनी class या अपनी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे. Okay? How do we say? Then let's talk about Tokyo. Sit.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Name. Giorgio Moretti.
Giorgio Moretti.
Occupation.
Occupation.
Singer.
Singer. Occupation means what? What does he do? Okay? Singer, doctor, dentist.
Famous.
Famous singer.
Great and
Great
famous.
and
singer.
famous singer. So she's just trying to create some joke. Great and famous singer. Like, what famous ever?
Nationality.
Nationality.
Italian.
Nationality means where he's from. Okay? Italian, Chinese, Indian. Italian.
Age.
Age 32.
Married.
Married?
No.
No.
Single.
Single. This is called as your status. You are single, you're married, unmarried.
Phone number.
Phone number.
This is my information.
This is my information he's giving. And whenever we give business card to someone, we give business card with both our hands. It is considered really good gesture. Okay? कभी भी हमें एक हाथ से कार्ड नहीं देना चाहिए. You should give your card with both your hands. Okay? Because you are giving your information to the client.
Everything okay?
Everything okay?
Come with me, Mr. Moretti.
Come with me, Mr. Moretti. So this is how we use small expressions. Come with me. I want to discuss something with you. I want to discuss something with you. Come with me.
Thank you, Mary.
Thank you, Mary.
I have Giorgio Moretti's phone number.
Phone number. I have his phone number. I have. So this is again, one scene is over here. So then again, write down the dialogues and practice it with your friends.
Do you guys want to go
So over here you can see 4 characters are there. Okay. Do you guys want to go out this weekend? So how do we make questions with do you? Do you guys? Do you want to come out with me? Do you want to have lunch with me? Do you want to have dinner with me? Do you guys? Because they're talking with so many people in here. Okay. There are more than one character over here. Do you guys want to go out this weekend? So जब एक character से ज़्यादा characters हैं, so there is where we will use guys. Okay, एक से ज़्यादा लोग होंगे जब.
this weekend? There's a great movie playing at the.
There's a great movie playing at Glenwood. So see, at where do we use? For the theater name. Okay, at Inox, at Malde, Goa. Okay, so the name of the place, Glenwood Theatre. So there's a great movie playing at, मतलब वहाँ पर play हो रही है, वहाँ पर लगी हुई है वो movie. So हम उसके लिए क्या use करते हैं? There's a great movie playing at the theatre, okay, or at Inox,
Glenwood.
at Glenwood.
A rock concert sounds better to me.
A rock concert sounds better to me. Okay, he doesn't want to go and watch movie. He wants to watch a rock concert, live concert. जैसे यहाँ पे सनबर्न होता है ना गोवा में, where different singers from so many different countries they come and they sing. That's called as a rock concert. What is that called as? Concert. Concert. A rock concert sounds better. So this is again an expression. This sounds better to me. You know, going for a hike sounds better. Okay, going for dance classes sounds better than having a coffee. Okay, sounds better. ये मतलब मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है activity करने में. So there is where Pankaj we use sounds better to me. Got it?
I'd love to see a play.
I would love to see a play. I would love to see a play, a role play or a drama.
How about an opera?
How about an opera? Opera. What is that? Opera is where, you know, it's a singing opera. Have you seen an opera? Opera, like it's a performance. Many people cry in opera. Okay, it's very moving. Okay, it's played live. It's like a play where generally the singer sings a story. That's called as an opera. Okay, it has like lots of emotions. So many people either they like it or they don't like it at all. It becomes a part of their life. That's what opera is. Okay, मतलब इतना मूविंग होता है कि या तो वो आपकी लाइफ का एक हिस्सा बन जाता है, अदरवाइज आप उसे कभी नहीं लाइक करते हो. That's what opera is. Okay, so she wants to go and watch an opera. Opera. So how about an opera? How about a movie? How about this restaurant? So this is how we talk. How about let's watch a movie? How about a movie? Okay. How about a play? How about an opera?
Okay.
Okay.
There's a rock concert Saturday night.
So there's a rock concert at Saturday night at 8 p.m. There's a rock concert on Saturday night at 8 a.m. So on at, again preposition, because it is telling me about the timing. Anything that tells me about the timing, position and placement is a preposition. At. I will be there at 8 a.m. Okay. I'll come to the theater at 2 p.m. Okay.
8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Blue City is playing.
Blue City is
Blue
playing.
City.
Blue City.
I love them.
I love
Sounds
them.
good.
Sounds good.
Not my style.
See, so someone who doesn't like Blue City, maybe a band or a name of the play, it can be anything. Like Brian Adams, he has his own band. Nick Jonas and Sons, they have their own band, right? I don't have much information about bands, to be honest. So again, she doesn't like, not my style. मतलब मुझे नहीं पसंद. Okay? Not my style. So something when you don't like, I'm not good at skating. Not my style. ये मेरा style नहीं है. Okay? She doesn't like bands and all. Maybe just like me.
I don't like rock.
I don't like rock.
Okay.
Okay.
There's a play tonight at midnight.
There's a play tonight at midnight. She likes plays. She likes? She likes. Okay? She likes plays. So there's a play tonight at midnight
At the Second Avenue Theater.
at The Second Avenue Theater. See, in New York, generally they have street that are marked with avenues, like 8th Avenue, Second Avenue, okay, 83rd Avenue. They have like numbers. Like we have no Gandhi Street, Chogam Road. They have avenues in New York. At the Second Avenue Theater.
It's called.
It's called Conversations with Food. That's the name of the play. She loves play. Okay. So it's called Conversations with Food. So anything which is in inverted comma, you have to say that very clearly. Okay.
Conversations with Food.
Play ka
Sounds
naam.
great.
Sounds great.
At midnight?
At
That's
midnight.
way past my bedtime.
See, that's way past my bedtime. I sleep by that time. Okay, so जब आप जल्दी सो जाते हो और आप इतना late play है, so what's the expression you will use? That's way past my bedtime. Way past my bedtime. Means by then I would be fast asleep. I would be fast asleep. मैं सो जाऊंगी तब तक. That is called as that's way past my bedtime. It's an expression. So again, mark it with purple color. Write it. Okay.
No thanks.
No thanks.
Okay.
Okay.
Carmen is playing at the City Opera.
Carmen is playing at the City Opera. Okay. So Carmen is a character who is playing in the opera. Maybe he's singing or he's telling the story. So he is the character who is playing at the City Opera. At, again, at to use for place. At City Opera.
8
At
p.m.
Great.
8.
How much are the tickets?
How much are the tickets? Tickets kitne ki hai naturally. You're going for a play, so you country with your friends. So how much is the ticket for? How much are the tickets?
You're kidding.
You're kidding. So again, मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? You're kidding. It's an expression.
Whoa.
Whoa. Expression.
No way.
No way.
Great. It's
Great.
a movie then.
It's a movie then.
A time.
A Time to Run. That's the name of the movie. A Time to Run. It's playing at the Glenwood Theater
Run is playing at the Glenwood at 7
at
p.m.
7 p.m.
A time to run?
A Time to
Oh,
Run.
don't go to that. It's just awful.
Oh, don't go to that. She's saying it's awful. Awful मतलब बहुत ही खराब movie है. Don't go for it. So these are the expression when we talk with our friends, we talk about a movie, about a play, or about an opera. These are the expressions we use. It's just awful. It's really bad. Don't go for it. I won't suggest this movie.
Okay.
Okay.
How about
How
You
about
Only Live Once?
it's playing at the Candle.
It's playing at the Kendall, also at 7
Also
p.m.
at 7 p.m.
terrible.
It's terrible. Again, it's also terrible. That means it's also bad. It's not that good.
An Actor's Life.
An actor's life, please.
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 Anna Goes Home.
Anna Goes Home. No.
The Left Side of the Street.
So he's taking the names of different movies. The Left Side of the Street, Titanic, okay, The Boy Next Door, The Girl Next Door. Everything is terrible for her.
I think there are no more tickets.
I think there are no more tickets. There are no tickets.
So what's a good movie to see?
So what's a good movie that we should watch? There's a French film playing at the Bijou.
There's a French film playing at the Bijou at 8
Bijou,
p.m.
sorry, at
I'm not a French.
I'm not a French film
It's a
fan.
film about
Okay, I'm not a French film fan. I don't watch German films. I'm not a fan of a German film. I'm not a fan of a French film. I'm not. मतलब मुझे वो films नहीं पसंद है. It's a film about an opera singer. वो फिल्म किसके बारे में है? It's about an opera singer.
An opera singer
Perfect.
and a rock star.
And a rock star.
Who meet at the
Great.
play. Wonderful.
Who met at the play. So एक तरीके से किसी को play पसंद है, किसी को opera पसंद है. So kind of this movie has everything for them. Okay, so something is common between all of them. Okay, naturally जब कोई common activity होती है friends के बीच में तभी हम जाते हैं ना. अब किसी को skiing पसंद है, किसी को river rafting पसंद है, किसी को trekking पसंद है. But something we need to come to a common activity, a common conclusion. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, thanks a
Very
lot.
welcome.
You're very welcome.
It'll be fun, Bob.
It will be fun, Bob. So finally, they are gonna watch movie which has everything in it: a play, an opera, a rock concert, and plus it's a movie. I hope you did all understand this.